Hi, all YouTubers.
Here we are again with the Spiderbot of the first series of the Spiderbot. So I started the video this time. Let's bring the whole package closer.
No, sit right here. I have it so that it's everything that's not your. Yeah,
So
turn around so
this-
they can see it. Yeah.
This
Like
is
that.
Spiderbot.
Perfect.
That is a bot. So
How do we
now
open this thing?
we need
Here, twist that
Sit.
first of all.
first we need to twist these.
That
And
one
then-
too. This one as well. No, okay, fine. Twist that too.
Is a remote control included? Wait, there's no remote in this one. There's no remote.
Yes, there is some.
Then where is it?
It's hiding. So you twist that way and then you pull it off.
Okay. And then we have to open the main bar.
Twist that way and pull it off.
Is the remote under the spotter bar?
Which allows you to pull that out.
Yep, YouTubers, that's how it is. Allows you.
Then you gotta get cutting with your scissors.
Yep. This is actually dad's scissors. Just let you know. So cut and open the tape. Just opening the spider bar. So
Those scissors.
yeah, not the best scissors. But as they say.
What do they say?
You can never have too many spider bots.
Watch your fingers.
Oh! There's a light there which shows the logo on the floor.
He shines a light? That's awesome.
Yeah, look! Yeah, that's really cool about these spider bots. Just letting you know, YouTubers, so we are very busy with the spider bots. Just letting you know. Some of us do come with remote completely blue.
Okay.
Now this allows us to. There's supposed to be a remote there, but there's no remote there.
There's a box. It's inside a box. There's a box.
Ah. At least I've already got to see the actual. You know.
Ooh, there's the remote. The instructions, and then we gotta cut all this stuff up.
Ah, so hard controlling these. So hard.
They don't click. It's because they're sensitive. Don't break it, please.
This probably shines the light. Just gotta have to get the actual spider ball out, I suppose. This is like the baseball video, YouTube video, but we're unboxing the spider ball. The actual recent video we made. I don't know why I'm talking about an old video.
Oh, look what's upside down on the ground, waiting for you.
Oh, ow! Yeah, what? No, that's spider bot. There's a spider bot. Ouch, that would hurt.
Okay, we have a spider bot
What was my remote?
right here.
Thank you. The spider bot.
It is heavy.
It's not heavy for me.
Does it come with batteries? Of course. It does.
Not
Is that
heavy.
on?
Self-destruct in 3, 2,
Self-destruct. Why'd you do that?
Ah, this middle button does self-destruct. The spider bots do that.
That was awesome.
This middle button does self-destruct.
Okay, well, how does it go back on now?
I don't know. But what? You probably just gotta slam it back up. I have no idea.
That is awesome.
I don't know what it says self-destruction.
But yeah, now we're kind of stuck.
Yes, we are YouTube. Alright. Now we got it.
Captain.
Yeah.
Okay, can we turn off the video لو سمحتي؟ لازم ينفجر الموبايل. Bye all YouTubers.
Bye, YouTubers. In the next video, what I have to make ahead of me. Hi, all YouTubers. I'm the following here on the Spiderbot. Let me show you how this works.
Show us the projector. Whoa.
Now I want to show you a really interesting button when that disappears. Alright, now this is self-destruction. Are you ready?
Yep. Again? Try something else.
Self-destruct in 3, 2, 1.
It does that.
Nice. Okay. Yeah, turn on to put it back on. Bye, all YouTubers.
Bye, all YouTubers. See you the net off.
Off then on.
Okay. Bye, all YouTubers. See you in the next video, but I have to make
Back on first. Is your back on?
head of me.